Volta isn't just a ferry, it's a leap toward sustainable transport. Aresa 2800 HRB, when every second counts at sea, this boat doesn't just race the waves, it outruns danger. Meet the Aresa 2800 HRB, a high-speed rescue and patrol vessel built for life-saving missions in the toughest seas. Designed by Aresa Shipyard, this 28-meter powerhouse combines speed, strength, and stability. Perfect for critical operations like search and rescue, maritime security, and offshore support. With its rugged hull and advanced design, it slices through rough waters while keeping fuel use efficient. Inside, there's room for rescue teams, medical gear, and emergency equipment, all ready for rapid deployment. Whether it's saving lives, enforcing maritime law, or supporting offshore platforms, the Aresa 2800 HRB delivers unmatched performance and reliability when it matters most. Leo Coupewat. If your next ride didn't have wheels, but wings, meet the Leo Coupe, a sleek flying car that looks like a sports car but lifts off like a helicopter. Built by Leo Flight Corporation. It uses powerful ducted fans to take off vertically and fly at speeds up to 250 miles per hour, 400 kilometers per hour, with a range of 300 miles, built-in safety systems, and a parachute for emergencies. The Leo Coupe is designed for the future of personal air travel, safe, fast, and stylish. Now imagine a plane that looks nothing like a plane. The Flying V, created by Delft University and KLM, is shaped like a giant V, with passengers, fuel, and cargo all integrated in typed wings. This smart design cuts fuel use by 20% compared to regular jets, while keeping the same capacity. Bold, efficient, and built for a greener tomorrow. Ask ChatGPT. BMW iVision d'Imagine, a car that talks to you, changes color on command, and turns your windshield into a digital world. Meet the BMW iVision D, a bold new concept car that's changing how we connect with vehicles. Its outer skin can instantly shift between 32 different colors and designs, thanks to next-gen color-changing tech. But it's not just about looks. Inside, the windshield transforms into a mixed reality display, blending real and digital worlds right before your eyes. And D, the car's AI assistant, responds to your voice with emotion and even shows a friendly face on your window. It's not just a ride, it's your smart, expressive companion for the road ahead. Cavorite X7. What if your next ride to work flew over traffic at 280 miles per hour? Meet the Cavorite X7 by Horizon Aircraft, a game-changing flying machine that blends the best of helicopters and airplanes. This hybrid electric aircraft lifts off vertically using 14 hidden fans, then transitions smoothly to fast-forward flight with a powerful rear propeller. Made from sleek carbon fiber and featuring gull-wing doors, it's built for more than just style. It can carry 6 passengers nearly 500 miles on a single charge. Whether it's transporting people across cities, delivering critical medical aid, or supporting military missions, the Cavorite X7 is designed for the skies of tomorrow. Quiet, efficient, and incredibly versatile. This is the future of air travel, and it's closer than you think. For Reason Hamtruckwit, if long-haul truckers could drive a high-tech semi and live in it like a mobile home. Meet the Reason Hamtrucka, a smart next-gen electric semi, built to rival the Tesla Semi designed by Geely's Reason Auto. This truck blends cutting-edge technology with real-world comfort. It runs on flexible power options like electric batteries, methanol hybrids, and even supports battery swapping, making it future-ready and eco-friendly. But it's more than just power, it's a home on wheels. Inside, you'll find a cozy bed, a bathroom with a shower, a fridge, kitchen, washing machine, and even a tea maker, designed for long-distance hauls. It also features Level 4 self-driving tech and connects to logistics platforms for smarter fleet management. The Hamtruck isn't just about transport, it's about transforming the driver's experience. Production is set to begin in 2024, and it's already reshaping the road ahead. Pressurized rover motion driving across the moon. No spacesuit, just you, a view of the stars. And your mobile lunar lab. Meet the Pressurized Lunar Rover, a futuristic moon vehicle designed by NASA and Japan's space agency, JAXA. This High-tech rover is more than just transportation. It's a mobile home and science lab rolled into one. Astronauts can explore the moon's surface for days without wearing bulky spacesuits, thanks to its sealed, livable interior. Equipped with robotic arms, cameras, sensors, and research tools, it's built for both crewed and remote missions. From collecting samples to running experiments, it brings Earth-like convenience to lunar exploration. Set to debut in NASA's Artemis missions, this rover marks a giant leap in how we live and work on the moon, and it's a glimpse into the future of space travel. Triton Deep Viewer dreamed of diving into the ocean without getting wet. Step inside a submarine that feels like a glass elevator to the deep. The Triton Deep View is not your average submarine. It's a luxury underwater experience built for adventure, comfort, and jaw-dropping views. With its crystal-clear windows, you'll feel like you're floating through another world, surrounded by colorful sea life and hidden ocean wonders. Designed with cutting-edge safety and smooth electric propulsion, it's quiet, safe, and perfect for explorers, researchers, and underwater tourists alike. Whether you're running a resort or just seeking an unforgettable dive, Triton's customizable design fits any mission. Inside, you'll enjoy a peaceful, immersive journey with room for friends, guests, or researchers. Dive deeper, see farther, and experience the ocean like never before with Triton Deep View. Beta Technologische. If your next flight took off like a drone, made zero emissions, and needed no fuel at all, Beta Technologies is building the future of clean air travel. Their electric aircraft, the Alia 250, takes off and lands like a helicopter but flies like a plane, with a range of up to 250 miles and zero tailpipe emissions. It's designed to carry passengers or cargo quietly and efficiently. But Beta isn't just making aircraft, they're creating an entire system. Along with the Alia 250, they're building a nationwide charging network to power electric aviation. By blending smart design with real-world sustainability, Beta Technologies is leading the charge toward cleaner skies and transforming how we think about regional and urban air travel. Trilobe Hybrid Airship Watt. If planes didn't need runways and could land on snow, sand, or even water. The Trilobe Hybrid Airship is changing the future of flight. Instead of relying just on engines, it uses helium for lift and a streamlined three-lobe shape for extra stability and aerodynamic power, giving it up to 40% of its lift from airflow alone. This means better control in windy conditions, improved fuel efficiency, and the ability to travel over 1,000 miles with ease. But what truly sets it apart? Its air cushion landing system. Unlike traditional aircraft, it doesn't need a runway. It can land gently on snow, sand, water, or rough ground, making it perfect for delivering supplies to hard-to-reach places or responding quickly to emergencies, whether it's carrying cargo or saving lives. The Trilobe Hybrid Airship isn't just innovative, it's a game changer for global transport and logistics.